Hey guys, the next bull market is your last chance to be part of the top 1% of the world's most successful people. Right now, you can decide who you want to be, which tokens are best to accumulate, how to prioritize, and how to allocate your finances. And most importantly, how to build a portfolio for $10,000 that will return 10 to 100 times. Let's find out now. It may sound harsh, but you will again miss a unique opportunity to change your life. Every week, my channel publishes videos that provide a lot of valuable information that can be used to make good money. And this is the main problem of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of crypto investors. They are not ready to work, not ready to really change their lives. Only 10% of the viewers are not only watching but doing something, are active market participants. So if you really want to make money with crypto, subscribe to the channel right now. Unfortunately, many people don't realize that the bull market is very close. Every cycle, the same thing happens. The bull market ends and everyone says that crypto is a scam as soon as BTC hits new price records. Everyone returns to crypto and buys high. And this is the main problem and mistake many beginners make in crypto, which is why I decided to release this video. So let's put together a portfolio that will make us huge profits in a bull market. My portfolio will consist of the most basic coins that don't carry much risk, followed by medium and then very risky assets. So let's move on to my list, and it starts with BTC. This asset needs no introduction. Everyone, even outside of crypto, is well aware of it. It has grown almost 150% in the last year. As soon as we saw the levels of $40,000 and above, for some reason, people started to believe that BTC would not grow any further. But I have a completely different impression. I see new all-time highs for Bitcoin and even believe that we can see 90,000 in this bull market. This is a simple statistic that repeats itself from cycle to cycle. That's why when I put together a portfolio for $10,000, I allocate 33% to BTC. I think no portfolio can do without ETH. At the moment, the market cap is $259 billion and the price of the coin has dropped almost 56%. Although Ethereum has grown nicely in recent months, I still see the current price as a pretty good entry point. During the upcoming bull market, I plan to see at least the old price levels and, in the best case scenario, $7,000 to $9,000. Given the speed at which the Ethereum ecosystem is developing and the share of the DeFi and NFT markets that this blockchain occupies, I see no reason for a sharp change in the vector for future growth of this coin. Taking all these factors into account, I decided to buy Ethereum for 15% of the total amount. Then we move on to riskier options, but they are still low risk, so Solana will be the third coin in my portfolio. There have been many videos about this asset on my channel, and Sol has shown 480% growth in the last year alone. Of course, there have been a few situations that almost sank Solana, but it still held up quite well. Right now, Sol is trading 73% below its all-time high. I have no doubt that it will not only return to the old highs, but exceed them. In addition, analysts from VanEck believe that Solana will take part of the Ethereum market, which will definitely give an incredible boost to the price. Therefore, I allocate 10% for this coin, and we have already invested 55%, so I suggest buying 2 to 3 more low-risk assets and moving to a riskier strategy. The fourth is a coin for which I am often hated. Do many people really not understand the real potential of Cardano? Or do they hate me because they missed their opportunity to increase their wealth on this cryptocurrency during the last bull run? Anyway, ADA has a pretty interesting idea and goals that they have been implementing for years. Although ADA is down 81%, it has a great chance to regain its position, which I see as the worst case scenario. By market cap, the coin ranks 8th among all cryptocurrencies, and I am sure that this is not the ceiling. In addition, the price of the asset has increased by 54% in the past month, and I am sure that this is just the beginning. I believe that Cardano's market cap can reach the old Ethereum figures if the cryptocurrency market grows well enough. Then we will be able to see the most bullish indicators. So I add this cryptocurrency by another 10% of the total amount. I also cannot ignore the native coins of the two largest L2 solutions, Optimism and Arbitrum. The L2 market will continue to grow and is already a significant part of the total market. This is unlikely to change in a bull market. Moreover, these projects were pioneers in the field and were released this year, but they have already experienced the wrath of the bear market and lost quite a bit in price. Therefore, I see a return to and even above the old all-time highs as quite profitable. I think we will see 10 to 15x and 20x for Arbitrum and Optimism respectively. So I'm adding these coins to the portfolio at $500 each. Now that we have accumulated enough core assets and can stop worrying that our portfolio will not bring us our coveted X's, I suggest we move on to more risky tokens. In a bull market, you need to leave liquidity for risky speculation, because you never know which token is going to shoot up. Therefore, we have left a little more than 20% for the total for risky tokens that will not bring stability, but can bring a lot of X's. That's why my favorite Caspa opens this list. I have talked about this coin many times on my channel. We bought it at 3 to 4 cents and held it at an all-time high. Now we can see a significant pullback. The price has plummeted 31% from the all-time high, and it is still in the accumulation zone. But I am sure that this is temporary and we will be able to see the top of the bull market from the 30x. So I believe in a price of at least $3. So I want to allocate $1,167 so that we have a clear number for other assets. I think every one of you has heard stories at least once about how people became millionaires on shitcoins in the last bull market. There are simply hundreds of such stories. So I decided to collect 4 rather promising shitcoins and buy them for $250 each. But it is important to understand that such coins are very manipulative. Anything can happen. For example, the backer of the project may empty his tokens or try to deceive their owners. Or Elon Musk is pumping brushes and it can work both ways. One will be pumped and the other will go down. And that is why I consider such tokens incredibly risky. They can catch fire and crash in 1 week, or they can last for years. These are the ones we can start with, because the first of these 4 I want to highlight is the Dogecoin. The father of all meme coins, it appeared very suddenly and just as suddenly skyrocketed into space. Now Doge is going through hard times. The token has dropped almost 90% from its all-time high. It is currently trading at 8 cents per Doge. My goal is to at least get back to the old market cap, which would be a huge profit for an investment of $250. From the current price, plus 600%. That's pretty good, right? But enough about Doge, because there is another dog waiting for us only on Ethereum, Shiba Inu, the second largest meme coin that actually came out of the Doge hype. It was also very hyped and once reached good price levels. Just like Doge, I am targeting the old maximum market cap, which will give us a fairly conservative X, but I also expect more growth. Who knows, maybe Shiba Inu will be able to remove a few zeros after the decimal point. Let's not go too far away from Ethereum meme coins and add Pepe to our portfolio. In fact, everything is the same, but there is one peculiarity. The token is still quite new and there is no such hype as the previous 2. And even though the token is relatively new, it is also going through hard times. It is down 70% from its all-time high. And it's even better for us because I have quite ambitious plans for this token. It's already listed on top exchanges, it has the support of a huge community, and it's developing every day, so it's likely that it will be able to get at least a little bit closer to Shiba Inu. And if it does, now is the perfect time to get in. Another newcomer to the market, Bonk, completes the selection of tokens for our portfolio. This is a direct competitor to Shiba Inu and Pepe, as it is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. By the way, it has already overtaken Pepe. Over the past few months, the coin has shown unprecedented growth, which has created a lot of hype around the project. Bonk has been listed on 2 major exchanges in the last 2 weeks. The goals are quite simple. I believe it can grow and be on par with Shiba Inu. So we are adding this project to our portfolio. This is what our portfolio for $10,000 looks like now. In addition, you can see my portfolio by following the link in the description of this video. And I want to remind you that this video is by no means financial recommendation. This is just my vision and thoughts on the market. So always do your own research before investing and invest wisely. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the growth of coins. Thanks for watching your Coin Post.